Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a Seaside Escape modded version in 2025 with unlimited resources for both iPhone and Android. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and go to this website. It's called hexmods.com. They have a ton of weird and wacky modded apps. So once you get onto the site guys, just go to the search bar and type in Seaside Escape and you're going to download it and you're going to be fun and happy. So as you can see, it says Seaside Escape mod right there, unlimited gems and energy. So press the down button and wait for it to download the Seaside Escape mod. So let's just wait for it to download here. As you can see, should be pretty quick. So before it downloads, guys, you are going to have to do a verification. This is where you download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're totally free and they're from the real app store. So as you can see, it says right here, complete 2 free apps to finish installing Seaside Escape mod. So as you can see, it says like reach level 10 or reach level 6. There are people that are living in this world, they'll download the app and they won't like reach level 10. And then they'll say the verification process like doesn't work. You have to actually download the app and read the instructions. TikTok, run for 30 seconds. So yeah, you just press the app, press tap to install. It brings you to the app store. We download it. We're good to go. I did Family Island. I had to reach level 10. It was kind of a pain in the ass. But it was worth it in the end because I got a Seaside Escape mod. It's a one-time process, so I don't have to do it ever again, hopefully. So, yeah, it's pretty awesome. So, as long as you do the verification, you'll be good to go. You'll get your Seaside Escape modded version for iOS and Android, and you can be rich. So, yeah, it's super crazy. Yeah, so have fun. Just do the verification, guys. It's really easy. And they have a thing at the bottom that says checking completion, so it's making sure you did the verification. So, there's no way to hack this file page. So the only thing you can really do is complete the verification and then you'll get your Seaside Escape mod. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out, bro.